When I craft an idea, World Anvil gives to me the best tool for world building. When I craft an idea, World Anvil gives to me
frequent new features,
image galleries,
calendars and timelines,
custom dictionaries,
maps for your world,
layers for your maps,
markers for your layers,
500,000 friends,
articles galore,
Hero social media,
2 fearless leaders,
and the best tool for world building. Every day is for crafting, World Anvil, thanks to thee. We get things done, work, and for fun. Find what you need, your fans can read straight from your brain. Novel or campaign, join in our song, 500,000 strong. Forges are lit day and night. Start your year off right with the best tool for world building.
Happy holidays, World Anvil.
Happy holidays, World Anvil.
Happy holidays, World Anvil.
Happy holidays, World Anvil.
from our family to yours. $500,000 strong. 500,000 strong. Oh, 500,000 strong.
We are Nerdsmith.